What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Financial Wolf channel. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing how I built 4 streams of income by the age of 16 years old. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down my 4 streams of income, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you should go about building multiple streams of income for yourself. The way that you should go about building multiple streams of income for yourself is by focusing on one thing, building it up, starting the next thing, building it up, and then starting the next thing. It's always difficult when you're focusing on building up multiple streams of income at the same time. And that's definitely a mistake that I made when I first got started in business. I tried to open up multiple different things at the same time. When I solely focused on phone flipping, my business was growing at crazy numbers every single month. And then when I started a bunch of different little businesses around that, my income from phone flipping kind of stabilized, if not dropped, because I just didn't have the time like I used to solely devote to phone flipping. So what I decided to do was cut all of the outside businesses and focus on the main thing that I enjoy and is bringing in revenue. Obviously, I have a few different streams of income, as I mentioned, but they're all having to do with phone flipping, with the exception of one thing. So the key takeaway from this is to focus on one thing and build it up, and make sure you have enough time to devote to another income stream before starting another stream. Obviously, if you have passive income streams, it's a little bit easier because all you have to do is put in effort up front, and it's going to make you money every single month with little to no effort putting in every single month. But with me, I have mostly active streams of income, so it makes things a little bit more difficult. So guys, all in all, I want you to focus on building quality streams of income and not just quantity. I want you to think about the amount of money that the income stream is bringing in rather than the amount of income streams you have. I wanted to get that point clear to you guys because it's a mistake that I definitely made when I got started, and it's the main thing to think about when you're looking at opening multiple streams of income. So with that all being said, we are going to hop on my computer and I'm going to reveal my 4 streams of income to you guys, and I'm going to show you how much each of my streams of income made.
Okay guys, so we are in my computer now, and here I'm going to be breaking down my 4 streams of income from biggest to smallest. So to start with, my biggest stream of income is iPhone reselling, and this is the business I've been doing for the longest period of time. I've been doing it since May of 2018, meaning it hasn't even been a year, but it's still the business I've been doing for the longest period of time, and it's also the business that I've had the most success with and the most continued success with, meaning I'm consistently making a certain amount of money or more every single month. I've been able to make a really good amount of money from iPhone reselling for quite some time now. My second biggest stream of income is actually YouTube, and it's the thing I've been doing for the second longest period of time, since June of 2018. I started YouTube right after I started my iPhone reselling business. So my first videos on YouTube were when I was barely making any money from iPhone reselling. And keep in mind, my income from YouTube actually doesn't include YouTube ad revenue. I'm going to be breaking down how I exactly make money from YouTube when I actually let you guys take a look at my budget, but that's for later in today's video. Just know that my YouTube income is actually not at all from YouTube ad revenue because I haven't met the requirements for ad monetization yet. My third biggest income stream is stock market dividends, and this stream of income is going to grow very slowly, and it's only about 40 cents a month, which is super duper small. But eventually, when I get my portfolio to grow a little bit more and I continue to consistently add money into my portfolio and I buy more dividend paying stocks, obviously that dividend income will increase, because right now most of my stocks that I own do not pay a dividend, as most of my money is in a position known as Facebook and Cirrus Logic, and I don't really consider buying stocks and appreciation a source of income because it's not really consistent at all. Like stock market dividends, I get every single month, no matter what. My fourth biggest income stream is iPhone repair. And this is an income stream that I started last month, and I haven't made any money with iPhone repair yet. It's a business that I'm really working hard with. I haven't made any money with it yet, but this month should be my first month actually making money from iPhone repair. I'm actually in a course right now for iPhone repair, and I'm getting privately mentored by someone who owns a cell phone repair shop and is 18 years old, and he's making over $20,000 a month in profit repairing iPhones. So he's doing crazy numbers repairing iPhones, and I'm getting mentored by him. He's super helpful. I definitely recommend his course, and if you guys are interested, his course link is in the description. So now that I've broken down my 4 streams of income that I have, I want to show you guys my monthly budget template and show you how much I'm making from each of my income streams. I also wanted to mention that 3 of my 4 income streams are related to the same idea. iPhone buybacks or iPhone reselling is basically the process of buying and selling iPhones. iPhone repair also has to do with that main idea of an iPhone business with simply fixing people's iPhones for money. My third thing related to phones is my YouTube channel. I make videos about my business, and I show you guys how to make money flipping phones for the most part, and eventually how to do iPhone repair. So it's kind of cool that I've kind of structured my income streams to being under that idea of an iPhone business. And obviously my 4th stream of income is just dividends from stocks that get paid out every single quarter. And right now I only have 1 dividend paying stocks. My other 2 stock market positions don't pay dividends. And I also wanted to mention that if you guys are interested in me making like a budget report video, I'd be more than happy to do that every single month, and I can show you how much I made from each of my income streams every single month, and I can also show you how much my expenses were. But right now I'm not going to be getting into my expenses at all, because that's not what this video is about. It's about my different income streams. And if you guys are interested in this budget template, all you need to do is just email me at the email in the description, and I'll send this to you for free. So here I want to kind of break down my different income streams and show you how much each of my income streams are making. So my iPhone buybacks business, Will's iPhone buybacks, is always my biggest stream of income, at least since I started in this whole realm of businesses. And so far this month I've made $474.35 from Will's iPhone buybacks, which isn't really that good because I budgeted to make about $2,000 from Will's iPhone buybacks, and it's 10 days into the month, and I've only made this much. So I'm kind of been slacking. I need to try and work harder to make more from this because I really want to hit that 2K mark again, because I hit it last month. I want to do it again. So here I have my different inventories that I've bought and sold. I've made a good amount of profit this month. My biggest profit was on an iPad Pro 2nd generation. I bought it for $300 and I sold it for $540. So I literally made a $240 profit because I actually ended up selling it locally. So I didn't have any seller's fees or shipping costs at all. So this month so far with iPhones reselling hasn't been that great, but I'm still bringing in a decent amount of money from it. Then I have iPhone repair. Obviously, I haven't made any money yet, and I haven't invested any new money into the business. So it hasn't been a loss. It hasn't been a gain. It's kind of stayed flat so far with iPhone repair. I'm actually going to be purchasing some more phones to practice repair on. So soon it's going to be at a loss. But hopefully by the end of this month when I start repairing phones, I'll kind of be at a break even for the month. And then my 3rd stream of income, and in my opinion, the most interesting, is my YouTube income. So here I have my different streams of income from YouTube, and they are as follows. My Teachable affiliate links, which is pretty much me promoting courses to you guys that I think will give you value. And then I have my Cash App affiliate link, which I actually haven't done yet. It's not an income affiliate link that I use, so I'm just going to go ahead and black that out. It's kind of an idea I have for the future, so it's still something kind of in the air, so I just wrote it on there because it's something I want to eventually do. And then I have my paid coaching calls. I did one of them this month for $25. I used to actually do these for free, but since I'm getting so many people coming to me asking for coaching calls, I have to value my time to some extent and charge $25 an hour. Not because I'm greedy for money or anything like that. It's just because I like doing them, but I really have to value my time to some extent and charge some sort of money for them so that I have a realistic number of people coming to me every month. And then this fourth one is also something I plan on doing. It is a phone flipping starter pack. Basically, it's going to be something to show you guys how to get started in phone flipping. Not a course or anything like that. It's going to include a price sheet for what you should be paying for certain phones, 3 coaching calls with me, Facebook ads, a coaching call or something like that. I'm not really sure what it's going to be in the starter pack, but it's something I plan on doing to kind of monetize the channel. And then the 5th income stream I just wrote down is YouTube ad revenue, and it's also something I'm not making any money from right now because my channel isn't monetized. And then I also have my YouTube expenses. This month I actually spent $125 on influencer marketing. It really didn't bring that good of a return, but it was something worth trying. I spent $125 on it, and it ended up bringing me negative income of $76.78. So actually it brought me in a negative income this month, but I really didn't have to do that marketing thing. It's just kind of something I do for fun right now, so YouTube's not really a big concern for me in terms of income. So I did write, it made me $48.22, and then I actually put in my budget that I had $125 in business expenses because I didn't really want to put in a negative number for income. It just makes me feel bad. So I just decided to put in, I made that, but I spent $125 on business expenses.
Okay guys, with that all being said, I think that's gonna about wrap up today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe to the Financial Wolf channel to be in the first 1,000 subscribers.